Hey and welcome to this course on how to sketch like an industrial designer, the basics. So what we're going to do in this course, we're going to start with the fundamentals of design sketching, such as what pen to use, what paper to use, how to sketch to get those smooth lines, to keep your elbows straight, and how to sketch with your entire shoulder. And we're also going to talk about how to get product design correct in perspective once you start out. For example, when you start with ideation sketches, it's kind of difficult to get the perspective right sometimes when it's a complex product. But I'm gonna break it down to you and show you a sweet technique that is really simple to use by anyone that will help you get the perspective right almost immediately. We're also gonna talk a little bit about car design, because who doesn't love to sketch cars, right? So we're gonna talk about different proportions for different kind of cars. So for example, we're gonna talk about how to sketch an SUV, how to sketch a minivan, and how to of course sketch a sports car, because we gotta have a sports car in there, right? It's the most fun thing to sketch. I'm really excited to show you this. I'm ready to get started with the sketching, so I'll see you on the inside.